Hello math students, my name is Mr. Droz. Thank you so much for joining us today where I'm going to teach you how to submit your work for our math class. Now, for this process to work, you're going to need a laptop, you're going to need your notebook, and you're going to need a phone with the Google Doc app installed. So during the Zoom lesson, you're going to work through the problems, and at random intervals or at specified times, we'll say maybe every third problem, you're going to submit your work, and here's how you're going to do that. Now, I've got 3 students with me today, my kids. Sophia, Caleb, and Mason, and we're going to walk through this process together. So we're going to pretend that this was a Zoom lesson and we just went over geometry. So, alright guys, you guys have your geometry work. If you could take your phone out and submit it, and you're going to see how quick and easy this process is. So I see Sophia's working, I see Caleb's working, and so what you're going to want to do when you have the Google Doc open on your phone is you're going to want to click the pencil icon to indicate that you can edit the document. And we're going to click the plus to add. We're going to click image from camera. And then we're simply going to capture the photo. And it's better if you have a lot of natural light. We're going to press check to confirm. And so now here's what I know. From my end, what I can do as a teacher is I can check this spreadsheet. And I'm looking at my class roster in column A, and I can see all the hyperlinked Google Docs, and I'm going to check on Caleb's work, and I can see when I scroll down, oh, there's Caleb's geometry work. Amazing. We'll check Sophia. There's Sophia's geometry. And there is Mason's. And so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to give him a little bit of feedback. And so what I can do is I'm going to type in tremendous. And I'm going to take a look at Sophia's.
She said tremendous.
And I'm going to write amazing. And then I'm going to take a look at Mason's, and I'm going to write nice job, buddy.
She wrote nice job for you.
Okay,
nice
amazing.
Job,
and so this is a way for me to give you guys a lot of on-the-spot feedback. All right, students, we just wrapped up the algebra component of today's lesson. So you're going to want to take out your phone, you're going to submit it, and we're going to work quickly and efficiently. You're going to want to make sure that the image is above the geometry because we're going to be working in chronological order. So I'm going to take a photo of Mason's work. Mason, you did an amazing job here today.
That was mine.
Yes, I know, and I love it. And so we're going to click the plus.
Oh no, my feet's in the picture.
We're going to click image. We're going to click from camera.
Great,
Simple,
my
simple,
feet's
simple. We're going to snap a photo.
I just took a picture.
We're going to use the photo.
My feet are in the picture.
That's okay. So if your feet are in the picture, it's not that serious. What's really value is your work. And so when I take a look at Mason's document, thank you, Mason. Thank you, Sophia. Here we've got Sophia's algebra work, and now I'm going to check on Caleb.
He's so real.
There's Caleb. So one of the things that Caleb did is he submitted his algebra work beneath the geometry. So what he's going to want to do in the future is he's going to want to make sure he submits it at top, but nonetheless, he did a solid job. So I'm going to write excellent job. Caleb, I'm going to give him lots of feedback. Now this process may take a little bit of practice, but if Caleb, Mason, and Sophia can do it, I'm confident you can do it. So I'm going to show you how to submit your math work one last time. On your phone, you're going to want to open up the Docs app. And again, you're going to want to make sure it's linked to the one that I as a teacher shared with you. And then we're going to click that little pencil in the lower right hand corner so we can edit this document. I'm going to make sure that the blinking cursor is beneath the date, and I'm going to click the plus sign because we're going to want to add the image. And I can see images right above table. We're going to get this image from the camera. And so now what we're going to want to do is find the most recent notes, and we're going to submit our algebra work like so. I'm going to capture this image. We're going to use the photo, super easy. And so now what we're going to do is press check to confirm, and boom, that's it. We're all done with that image. And so from my end, what I'm going to see is this image right here. And so what I'm going to do when a student submits the work, I'm going to write, this is amazing. I love it so much. And maybe I'll encourage you to reevaluate a certain step or ask you to consider some element of the problem that you previously hadn't considered. But I'm going to be thrilled so much with you guys submitting work. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Can't wait to see what you guys produce. Good luck.